The best advice I can give any woman looking to elevate her overall look is to learn how to do a lot of the things on your own. Ain't no way I'm gonna allow outside sources to be the judge of how I'ma look on a day-to-day basis. And I'm not saying you can't have your own hairstylist, nail tech, eyelash guru, or whatever. You can have all of that, but still learn how to do it yourself so you can maintain your own look. And I know social media has y'all thinking that life will never happen, but life does happen. And the moment that it does, you need to make sure that you're able to upkeep the lifestyle that you've created, whether you have to pay for it or do it yourself. Because sis, you don't have to look like what you're going through. For my overall personal style, I enjoy wearing wigs, sew-ins, my natural hair straightened. I do not wear it curly. Sleek buns, protective styles like braids, boho locks, feed-in braids, curls. We love curls. And when I really don't feel like doing my hair, I always have a hat or some type of headpiece on deck. I've been doing my hair a very long time, but there was one point in my life where I couldn't even do a bun correctly. Sis, I am proof that you can learn how to do the things that you want to do, just like you can learn how to cook. There are some kids following me, so I'm not going to say what else you learned how to do that your mama didn't teach you, but you can most certainly learn how to do and maintain your own look, just like you learn how to do everything else on your own. And no, I'm not telling you that you got to go out here and learn how to do every single style, every single look that you see everyone else with. No, I want you to learn your hair, learn which eyebrow shape you like best on you, learn how you like to see yourself when you look in the mirror. Forget about the rest of the world and what they think they want to see on you. How do you like to show up for yourself? Wax your mustache or don't. If you like yourself with a beard and a mustache, sis, rock it. Me personally, I love using the Athena face waxing strips, y'all. When I tell y'all, it leaves my face feeling super smooth and it does not irritate my skin at all. When it comes to these sew-ins, make sure you're using the right products, sis, because the wrong products can have your hair feeling stiff, brittle, looking greasy, and we don't want that, especially not with a weave. If you're new to wearing sew-ins, make sure you get the proper matching when it comes to which hair texture you're going to blend in with your own. Most of the time, I'm using something that's kinky straight so that when my hair swells up in the summertime, my hair extensions will look the exact same as my hair. If you want to switch up your look or try something new, or you're just tired of adding so much heat on your hair, sis, try a wig. Now, there's no need for our wigs to look like helmets in 2024. Get properly sized for your wigs. There's nothing like investing in a good wig. All you need is like 2 good wigs, because you don't even need to wear them every day. Rotate your hairstyle so that you can give your hair time to breathe. Your wigs can last a little longer, and your man can low-key have multiple girlfriends, because you might be Sheila today, but tomorrow you might want to be Barbara. And this is just a snippet of things that I do to maintain my overall look. Let me know if y'all want a part 2, because I can really break it down to the products, the DIYs, the tutorials, all of the things. Let me know in the comments. Bye.